The trust equation that never, ever fails. Next time you're having a conversation with a potential client, remember this simple formula. Trust equals safety plus clarity minus pressure. You don't build trust with charisma. You build it with safety. You add clarity for them, to get them to understand and appreciate exactly where their situation is now. This is a brilliant service you can offer people, and you then simply subtract any pressure whatsoever. In other words, every time you slow down, every time you ask more than you tell, every time you stop pushing, every time you give them pause and wait for them to answer, guess what happens? Trust goes up, and so do conversions. Print that formula and keep it near your desk. Use it to check yourself before every call you make with a potential client. On the screen there you can see peterbeckham.com/hello. Use that link, book a time with me, and let me share some insights with you you may never have thought about before that can take you and your conversations to a level of success, fulfillment, and profitability that you never thought possible. I'll talk to you soon. Bye for now.